Earlier, I added this Polygon hotspot that opens a URL and this one that links to a node, but these were made using the default settings. The Polygon hotspots can also be visible on output and have different colors. We just have to adjust the default settings found in the HTML5 output settings. I want to have my hotspots visible, so I need to change the viewer mode for Polygon hotspots. But before I go on, let me show how each mode behaves. Always hidden won't show the actual polygon, but it's still active. Always visible will show all the hotspots all the time. Show current will show the hotspot that the mouse enters. Show all will show all the hotspots when a mouse enters any of them. And disabled will disable the hotspot completely. I also have different hotspot types, and I want them to be noticeably different from one another. I can do this by changing the default colors here in the HTML5 output settings, or I can change each hotspot individually in the hotspots settings. For this hotspot, I'll customize its color by deselecting Use Default. And then I'll click on the color wells to adjust the background and border colors. Now, in the HTML5 output settings, I'll use Always Visible for the view mode. And you won't see the change in color until it's outputted, so let's see how this looks. Here are the URL hotspots and the one linking to another Tor node. We can also customize the text boxes, so let's go back and change them. Here in the hotspot text box section, I'll customize the tooltip a little. I'll change the text color to white, and the background will be darker and transparent. And then I'll change the radius to 10 to round the corners. So let's see how it all looks. We have the colored polygon hotspots, and we've customized the tooltips.